Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself skinny in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all I'm going to open the project I have just created in my CapCut, and I'm going to make this girl skinny guys. I'm going to use CapCut retouch feature to make this girl skinny. If we want to do that, we can click on the video like this until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now. And we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the retouch feature. Click on this feature and you will have two options and choose the body. Okay, you can select manual here and go to the slim option. And I'm going to place this feature right here on the body. You can also customize the size as well. Okay, and I'm going to increase it. Alright, I'm going to make it full. Once you're done, you can click on this check mark and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how you can make yourself skinny in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.